Hi, my name is Muhammad Nakib Harith bin Hamzah. I am lecturer of Faculty Crime Investigation. Today I want to talk about application of forensic by using drone. Drone forensic is a term that refers to forensic processing, examination and analysis of unmanned air vehicle that we call UAV, right? It involves extracting and secure the evidence in a forensically sound manner on drones. Generally, it's often referred to as UAV forensic. The objective is to recover the footage recorded by the drone and as well as other variables pertaining to its flight history. For example, geolocation, unique ID and etc. In fact, criminals often use this modern device to conduct a myriad of illegal activities, including first, piloting them to smuggle drugs, mobile phones, gun, knife. Second, use them as a tool to conduct terrorism. Third, voyeurism and invasion of people privacy, right? And then stalking, harassment, and then number 4 is as paparazzi and war crime. So, drone forensic play an important role in today's society and cover a wide range of applications, including those in commercial, civil, recreational, educational, law enforcement, and national security domain. In many ways, a drone functions like a computer. Apart from having a data storage such as SD card, USB, right? It also equipped with video camera and other sensors. This allows a digital forensic video analyst to use sophisticated industry tools like VIP 2.0 to extract the missing pieces of story and find out what happened by looking at footage captured during flight. So it helped much in forensic. That's all from me. I'm Nakib, Faculty Crime Investigation. See you in the next series, okay? And be smart and be different. Bye.